What's going on, everybody? We are back with another delivery ride along. Today is Tuesday, June 16th, and it's 4:16 p.m. I just got to Little Caesars for another delivery with DoorDash. So today is going to be a little different. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be doing one of my Road to Top Dasher deliveries. I'm going to be primarily using Uber Eats. If you don't know, I signed up for their banking with GoBank, because with their Uber rewards, you get extra rewards and gas back. And I'm all about saving money. So whatever money I can get back in my pocket, I'm going to take advantage of it. So once I make this delivery, I'm going to switch over to Uber Eats, hopefully. There's a chance I don't get any orders with Uber Eats, but it did just say it's very busy in my area. I did have both apps on, but ultimately I got the DoorDash order first. So I'm gonna go make this delivery, and I'll see y'all in a minute. I was waiting 10-15 minutes almost, trying to get that Uber Eats order, and I wasn't getting one. So I'm like, you know what, I'll turn DoorDash back on. What do you know, I get an offer for DoorDash and Uber Eats at the same time. So I'm about to do a stacked order. Hopefully it works out. I'm headed to Chipotle for Uber Eats and then Buffalo Wild Wings for DoorDash. The good news is the restaurants are very close to each other, and hopefully the deliveries are pretty short distances. I gotta rush because, like I said, I got a stacked order right now, and that can be a bit stressful. So I just arrived to this restaurant, La Miko Khan. I don't know. I can't pronounce it. I've never been here. It's an area that I don't really go to that often, but it is what it is. Those last two orders were definitely stressful. I did get lost on the second drop-off, and they were complete opposite direction from one another, so it took way too long. I know I'm going to get a bad review for the Chipotle Uber Eats order. I mean, granted, it was a salad, so I wasn't too worried about them getting cold food, but I feel bad for them. I'm gonna go grab this food, and then hopefully I'll get some more Uber Eats order. I had to take a little break. My wife asked me to grab something, so it was probably about a half hour without being on the app. And then I turned Uber Eats back on. I got an order from McDonald's, so I just got to McDonald's. I'm gonna run inside, grab that order. I don't know, it's been a weird day so far, kind of hectic. I'm hoping things calm down now, but we'll see what happens. So today was a rough day. Things were pretty slow with Uber Eats, and it was just crazy when I had that order with DoorDash and Uber Eats. So I don't know, I honestly thought about not posting this video, but I figure, hey, I want to show you guys, the viewer, what it's like on a bad day. So here we go. With DoorDash, I made $15.25. I did 2 orders. Nothing crazy. I'm sure if I stayed with DoorDash only, I would have made more money, but it's all good. And then $21.83 with Uber Eats. I'm going to call it 22 bucks. So I made about $37 so far. With Uber Eats, I could still get tipped by 2 customers, so there's a chance I'll get more money. But as far as right now, I've made about $18.50 an hour, which is the worst night I've had since the pandemic started. The good news is my goal for tonight was just to get gas money, and I was able to fill up on gas. Like Squad, if you're still watching, smash that thumbs up button. I'm going for 6 likes on this video. I'll see you next time. Peace.